Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and saved work. Once ready, open the control panel or press Win+X and choose Power Options. This gets you to the modern settings. Make sure to click Additional Power Settings to open the classic Power Options window. Doing this lets you see all saved plans and the current active plan. You start here because reset steps require plan-level controls that only appear in the classic view. Once visible, you can modify or restore default settings safely. Once on the classic Power Options page, pick the active plan and click Change Plan Settings. This shows basic options like sleep and display timeouts. If incorrect tweaks exist, click Restore Default Settings for this plan to return to Microsoft defaults. This fixes most misconfigurations. For targeted fixes, choose Change Advanced Power Settings. Here you can expand categories to adjust CPU cooling, PCI Express, or lid actions. Make careful changes and note original values so you can revert if necessary. After restoring defaults or making changes, save and test. Put the PC to sleep, close the lid, or let the display timeout to confirm behavior. If problems continue, run the Windows Power Troubleshooter via Settings Right Arrow Update and Security Right Arrow Troubleshoot because it can detect mismatched settings or services. Make sure device drivers and BIOS/UEFI are up to date. Outdated drivers often override power settings. If nothing helps, use System Restore to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.